Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to stop or prevent Google Chrome from running background apps when it is closed. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start off by opening up the Chrome web browser if it's not already open, and select the three-dotted icon up in the top right corner of the browser window. Just go ahead and left click on that and go down and select Settings. On the left side, you want to go and select System. And then on the right side, underneath System, where it says Continue running background apps when Google Chrome is closed, if you want to toggle that to the off position just by clicking to that oval one time, that will prevent background apps from running when Google Chrome is in fact closed. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.